Hey, good afternoon, Gas and Bagels. For the second step in our car project, we're going to be adding details like windows and door handles, things like that. So we should be open to our project. Take a look at it right here. This is what we did during the first step. If your car does not look like this for your car, make sure you back up, watch that step again. Make sure that you are to this point. We're going to click the main highlighted portion of the car with the arrow and click delete. And once we do that, we will keep the outline we made, yet be able to go in and add details. And now, anything that is a detail we need to add. And so, for example, there's this strange window because this is not your ordinary Cybertruck. And we're going to be doing this just like we did the other day with the line tool and zooming in and out to get as accurate of lines as possible for this step. And so let's take a look at this together. I'm just going to go here, and right now I am going to end in this spot, something like this, come all the way over to connect back, and it will fill in. It's okay if it fills in, but it's equally as good to click that spot and press delete. In this case, I've got more details to add. Specifically, I've got this opening, but I'm not going to worry about that. Instead, I'm going to look at the door handle next. Just like the other parts, I want to zoom in. I want it to be accurate. I want it to look nice and even. And if you zoom in, you can sort of get that even look and then connect back up to where it started. We're going to be doing this for the whole car. Whatever details there are, you are going to outline them. So I have the rest of this door. I'm going to finish up, come this way. It kind of comes down this way, all the way down to here. There are obviously a number of different ways to do this, but it's important that we get these details before we start going on to the next phase, because it's easier to put them in correctly now than it would be if you do it later. And so you can see that this door piece is done, and it's done because if you delete, you can see that it's there. I still have a little piece to connect up here at the top. I'm going to put the car back, connect that up, just to make sure we've got all of the pieces in. In this case, I have something going on with the bottom part of the triangle. Not exactly sure where that is yet, but I want to go back and fix it. There we go. And then once it's highlighted, grab that eraser, and I'm going to erase these extra lines and then erase this piece in the middle. Something like this. So you're going to go through, focus on details today to where when you delete the picture, you start to see the details that make up the car. All right, thanks for watching, Bagels, and as always, if you have a problem, tag the problem, try it yourself, acquire knowledge, and if all else fails, get up and go get help.